Alan Weiselberg walked into a Manhattan courtroom in handcuffs this morning to face multiple tax fraud charges. Hours later, after pleading not guilty and turning over his passport, he walked out without having to pay bail.
Bye, you crook!
The long-serving CFO for the Trump Organization is accused of scheming for years to avoid taxes on $1.7 million worth of income in the form of perks that included rent-free apartments and leased luxury cars. He's also charged with falsifying business records. Trump Organization lawyers called the charges politically motivated.
In 244 years, we have not had a local prosecutor go after a former president of the United States or his employees or his company. And that is a significant line to cross.
The charges against Weiselberg are the first from a 2-year probe into the former president's business practices, led by 2 New York prosecutors who are both Democrats. Trump has repeatedly called it a witch hunt. But a former executive at Trump's company says the CFO couldn't have acted alone.
Nobody does anything major without Trump's knowledge and usually approval.
You feel pressure from Mr. Trump?
And with charges involving actions over 15 years, experts say the implications are far more serious.
There's a difference between sort of negligent or mismanaged behavior and an intent to circumvent and deceive state and federal law.
Donald Trump was not named in the case, but some legal experts say that Weiselberg is likely being pressured to turn on his longtime boss. The 73-year-old could face decades in prison if convicted on all charges. Chris Reyes, CBC News, New York.